Chapter 3: How to navigate cells and menus on Google Sheets. Step 1: Click on a cell with your mouse to activate the cell. Step 2: You can also use your mouse to drag over mutable cells to create a cell range. Step 3: File menu is all about working with spreadsheet as a whole. Step 4: Edit menu is all about editing content in your spreadsheet. Step 5: Format menu is all about format in your spreadsheet. Step 6: Tools menu is about spell check, autocomplete, notification, and other functionalities.